Before beginning any procedure, make sure your work area is in safe condition and all applicable personal protective equipment is in satisfactory condition and worn. The valve out tool is a bolt hole specific tool. Take your bolt and add 1/8 of an inch to get the proper size bolt hole pin. The tool will not perform unless you use the proper size bolt hole pin. Slide the pin through the spreading plates, tighten the Allen screw down until snug. The plates split apart so you can compensate for the distance between the bolt holes. The tool can be used flange to flange as a flange spreader, or the tool can be used in conjunction with spacer bars that come with the kit. You make up the spacer bars according to the width of valve or meter or spool, whatever you're wanting to remove. Before beginning the procedure also, you're going to want to make sure that you've secured the valve by either using a crane or a chain fall. In this particular application we'll use these bolts. Now you can slide the spreader plates back, hold everything in securely, tighten down on the jack bolt till everything is snug. You can now begin to turn the jack bolt. And what's happening is the plates are cantilevering back and binding the bolt hole pins inside the bolt holes. Continue turning until the valve comes free. Before beginning your flange alignment procedure, make sure that your work area is in safe condition and all applicable personal protective equipment is in satisfactory condition and worn. Titan flange alignment tools are bolt hole specific tools. Take your bolt and add 1/8 of an inch to get the proper size flange alignment tool. Find the greatest opening between your misaligned flanges. Insert the tool all the way through both flanges till the shoulder of the tool stops at the second flange. Rotate the tool 180 degrees on one side. Take your second tool, insert it all the way through your misaligned flanges, and rotate 180 degrees. Notice that the socket I'm using is the same size as the rest of the nuts that are on the flange. You're now completely lined up. If you have trouble getting these tools back out, simply rotate them 180 degrees and you can pull them out with your hands. This is a valve out VOC1 kit which handles 3/4, 7/8, and 1-inch bolt hole pins. The VOC2 kit allows you to use the valve out tool on larger sizes of flanges. In this set you've got bolt hole pins for 1 1/8, 1 1/4, and 1 3/8 bolt hole sizes. The larger size bolt hole pins slide all the way through the spreading plates, and you have a nut that comes with each bolt hole pin. Snug it down with a wrench